a reason to start over you. But I want you to. Go, Maris. Good luck. Kung ano naman yan. Magkita mo na naman boyfriend mo. Yellow diamonds in the light. You're standing side by side as a shadow across. Tulog pa ba ibang ano?
Mahal. Net, mahal. Ang ba nasa isang jacket? Nino? Kung varsity? Suot ata nila eh. Isa lang yung suot nila eh. Si Claudette. Oo nga pala, nakikladot pala. Nakakainis sa'yo ako ng ganito. Bakit? Nakakaya kaya.
Designs. Mga bagong designs na gagawin natin. Ubusan na ako ng idea. Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to get you, but you're so hot to have back. Parang pagod na pagod si Kit. But felt like you left down. And so I drew in your face and laughed.
Init ganyan, nag-swimming tayo, pero sarap na.
I guess what I'm saying is there's no better reason to reach out to the fantasies and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. I would love you, but I won't. Nika, ano pwedeng design? Pwede bang ano lang? Parang cassette tape lang?
Pwede din.
As in yun lang.
Allergy ka?
Get yourself again, myself. I'm getting some
Nakakalong ka rin na
but I take no more. Ang lagay. Open up your mind and see like me. Oops. Open up your hands and tell me you're free. Oh, kadumi. You found love. Just to the moon and the music really dance. Kadumi tuloy.
Alin?
Para dito. Ay, di dyan kami gagawa ng design.
Parang pa pa ganun.
Para pa 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 para pa para pa 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 pa.
Lagi na lang, Alec, may nagpupukpok, no?
Oo. Feel mo may ginagawang stage dun. Oh. Uy, nagkaroon ng cover to. Dati wala pong cover to eh. Kanina, may nakita kaming taong gumagawa dyan. Tapos nung nakita namin sila, bumaba sila.
Nilagyan ng cover.
Hindi ka tatakpan na rin to.
Sobrang init kasi eh.
I'm not perfect.
I'm not a perfect person. Ano ba pwedeng design dito? So many things I wish I knew. But I continue on. I wish I did so close to it. I wish I did say before I go. Before I go. I did. I just want you to hear.
Miss ko na si Sean.
Sino?
Best friend kong lalaki.
Oh. DNA na lang.
Napakagaling ng kumanta,
Oh.
promise.
To change your life to be.
Tapos pag malungkot ako lagi nung kinakanta favorite songs. Singkit din yun eh, parang ikaw lang.
Oh?
Oo.
Nox, baka naman nakikita mo yung best friend mo.
Ha?
Yeah. But I continue on. I wish I didn't say before I go.
Kahit yung perfect ha.
Sige.
May isulat mo.
So I have to say before I go.